and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxing videos of all sorts of monthly boxes out there, some product reviews, and sometimes a little bit of travel and adventure, then make sure that you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back my beautifuls. Today I have a totally new box to unbox with you guys, and it is called Breathe. So this is what the box looks like. I love this paper here. It looks so adorable. Love the colors. So this is a self-care box, and I will leave you guys all the details and everything you need to know on the description down below. So let's go ahead and let's get into this box. I have no idea what's inside this box, guys. I'm just opening this box right now. So here we go. Ooh, look how pretty that looks in there. So it says here, take a deep breath and say this affirmation aloud. I attract only good things into my life. I attract only good things into my life. Okay, so I have a little, oh, these are so cute. So it has my name and it says, thank you for your support. I have a code there. So I will leave you guys a code as well because I receive a code for you guys. And I have some more information here. Super adorable. I love how they did this. So cute. Okay, guys, so this is a self-care box. They offer 1 month and 3 month subscription plans starting at $50 per month. Each month's box will include 5 to 6 full-size products, mostly sourced from woman-owned businesses, at a monthly value of $100 to $150. Okay, they are offering free shipping for a limited time now, so they ship only within the US. The 3-month subscription will also include a bonus item. With that said, my first item is going to be this right here. So this is a booklet, and it says here, breathe, think outside the box. May box curation includes products sourced from women-owned businesses. 10 ways you can improve your self-esteem. Positive self-talk for improving self-esteem. This is so cool. Okay, so it has a lot of information here. It also has an activity as well. So this is like a little journal, I will say. Oh, and now we're getting into business. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You guys can see I have not opened this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the sticker. There we go. There we go. Ooh, it's full of goodies, guys. Full of goodies. Okay. I wonder if this booklet has the stuff that are in here. Let me see, because I didn't check that. Let's find out. It does. Okay, so this is also an information card here. Okay, so let me get to this here. Okay, so I see that we have 6 items in this box. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, this hair is like all over the place. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, my first item is going to be this right here. So it says here, almost famous. Where's the... We will find out what it is right now because I have to put on my glasses, guys. So, it's a facial massager and cream applicator. I can't find it in here. Okay, I found it. So, it's from Ionic Anti-Wrinkle Facial Massager. So, it says designed to reduce wrinkles, dark circles around the face. This beauty device uses microcurrents to combat the signs of aging and promotes deeper penetration of serums and moisturizers. And this retails for $35. And one of the papers just flew from the box, just flew on my hair. So it's like a party going on here. So, oh, I cannot wait to try this. This is awesome. So cool. Ooh, I'm so excited about my first item already. I'm already loving the box with just that one item that I received. Next up, we have a strawberry essence dark chocolate. Ooh. And it says 80% Arriba Nacional. So it's from Ecuador. So it's an organic dark chocolate bar. Ooh, and it retails for $7. Next up, we have, okay, what's this here? Okay, we have something here. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. Let's see. Okay, if I can get to it. Ooh, so it's a watermelon lip scrub. Ooh. Oh my God, it smells so good. Mmm. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious. Oh, oh my God, it smells so good. So that's what it looks like. So this right here is going to be the watermelon sugar lip scrub, and it retails for $5. And it's great for your skin and lips. Smooth, it's going to smooth away rough, dry skin from your lips with this natural cruelty-free lip scrub in watermelon flavor. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. So far we have 3 items, right? Okay, 3 items. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh. Oh, I love receiving handmade soaps. I hope this is a handmade soap. So it says Scrub Happy Mindfully Made Soaps. Oh, did you guys just see that flying? It's like they're flying like everywhere. Okay, so my soap. Smells so good. Oh my God. I love receiving self-care boxes because they smell so nice. So it's blueberry jam, handcrafted soap. Look how pretty that is, guys. So the soap, it's made with environmentally conscious ingredients. It's vegan, cruelty, sulfate, and palm oil free soap. It's bound to leave your skin feeling gloriously softer than ever, and it retails for, I believe, it's $8. So next up we have, let's see what else. Let's see what this is here. So we have this here. So it says, listen to my body's needs. Okay, let's see what this is. So it's a pave or rave, I can't see what. It's a pave thin leaf necklace. So the leaf is a cross-cultural symbol of luck and prosperity. This necklace can be worn with both casual and formal fashion. So let's go ahead and open it. I want to see it. I love receiving jewelry too. Ooh, so excited. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh, this is stunning. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. I gotta turn it around so you guys can see it. Look how pretty that is. Where are the rhinestones? So, that's what it looks like, right? And then it has, I don't know if you guys can see the detail, but it has rhinestones right all the way down of the leaf. Look how pretty that is. Is it on both sides or just one side? Okay, the rhinestones are on one side, but you can still see them from the back as well. Look how pretty that is. And it's pretty long. Look at the back. So this is from Health and Healing. This is so pretty. I love the necklace. Oh my goodness. And the necklace retails for $52, guys. So pretty. I love it. So what else do we have? Let's see, because I don't want to leave nothing behind. It's just a lot of cutout, like a lot of shredded paper. I don't want it to go everywhere. Ooh, okay, so we do have more stuff in here. So it's going to be this right here. And this is a matte gel lipstick. This is my bonus item. It retails for $7. It's long-lasting lipstick with the lightness of a gel and long-wearing matte finish. Made with a weightless, non-drying, wax-free formula. Socially conscious, 100% cruelty-free. So it's wrapped. Okay, so that's the color there. Ooh, the color is so pretty. I like it. Look how pretty the color is. And it retails for $7. Let me just make sure that there's nothing else in here because it has a lot of shredded paper. So I'm just touching, and there's nothing else. All right. Oh my goodness, guys, this box was so good. I really enjoyed this box. So nice. And then I love the booklet because it has like activities. It has a whole bunch of information in here as well. This is so pretty. And I have a coupon, a discount code for you guys. So I will leave that on the description down below for you guys. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching this video. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.